Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these beautiful 3D pop-up cards. But first of all, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get free notifications of my coming videos. Now let's start the tutorial. Take a cardstock of size 14 into 29 centimeter, and from the 29 centimeter side, using a scale, mark at points 7 centimeter, 14 centimeter, 21 centimeter and 28 centimeter, leaving 1 centimeter space here. And similarly, mark same points on the other side as well, and then join these marks using the pencil and scale. Now I will divide this 14 centimeter side into half, that is mark at 7 centimeter, and then join them together by drawing a line. Now score this line, and as you can see, this 1 centimeter width side, now I will cut it off and cut the corners of the remaining half 1 centimeter side portion. Okay, now I will fold this cardstock along the scored line, and now this folding has given us two parts, so I will score along the marked lines on one half side, and I will fold all these score along the score line later, but on the upper half side I will cut along these lines. So I will make the cuts till the half like this. Now it will give us 4 pieces, and on the lower side I will fold along all the scored lines like this, and after folding them we will join the two ends, and I will apply white glue on this 1 centimeter part, and then I will fold this other end and paste them together. So this folding gives us a box shape, and you can increase or decrease the size of box using a larger or a smaller cardstock piece. This is up to you. I have also made a larger size box, and I have pasted purple colored cardstocks on its inner side, and you can note the size difference. Now I will make strips using the same inner purple color. Now take a white cardstock sheet and draw two vertical lines of size 4 centimeter. This will be the wax part, and then draw a flame. I'm using these 4 colors for the flame shading, and using darker the black color in the middle, then the orange, then I will use a very light orange color, and then the yellow. So these 4 colors will give a very nice shade for the flame. And I will make the wax portion with these beautiful patterns. You can use any color for this wax portion, and then cut it according to the shape. So I will make total 7 such candles. 4 candles will be of the length of the wax portion 4 centimeter, and 3 candles will be of the wax area length 5 centimeter. Now take another cardstock and draw a cake shape. Then you can draw some design or pattern on it, and then I will use color pencils. The total height of the cake should not be greater than 4 centimeter, and using colors I will color it and then I will cut it according to the drawn shape. You can write happy birthday or the name here in this part. So this cake part is almost ready. Now cut it, and then I will use it on the inner side of the box. Now take a cardstock strip of size 9 into 2 centimeter and score 1 centimeter on both ends, and then fold these ends. I'm taking a bit larger strip of size 12 into 2 centimeter because I will use it in a larger box size. So fold the two ends and then make 3 of such strips. Now take small cardstock pieces and cut very thin strips out of it of length about 5 to 6 centimeter, and using glue paste them on the strip like this. And the cake piece which I made earlier, I will apply glue and paste this piece on these thin strips, right? And using the same procedure, I will make thin strips and attach them on the strip, and then I will stick one candle on each of these thin strips one by one. And similarly I will make another strip piece for the rest of these 3 candles, and I will paste them one by one on the other strip, and this is how these pieces should be complete. Now I will use these pieces on the inside of this box. For this box, the length of the horizontal strip should be 9 into 2 centimeter, and by folding 1 centimeter and on both ends we will get the exact same size. But I'm using these strips for this bigger box, and I've made this box with an A3 size cardstock piece, and I have pasted light purple color cardstock pieces on the inner side. The color of the strips should be according to the inner color of the box. I will also give the measurements on how to make this larger size box using A3 size cardstock piece in the description. You can check it out later. Now I will use these pieces and I will stick them on the inner side of the box using glue. So apply glue on this piece and this folded piece, and then insert it inside the box and paste it on the other side. And in the same way we will paste this candle piece strip and the third strip having 3 candles one by one by applying glue on the folded piece of the strips. And this is how our card is ready. You can check out how cool it looks. Now for the outer side of the card, I'm using these tags, and if you don't know how to make these tags, you can check out my basic tutorial on how to make them, and I will give the link in the description. Now I'm using foam double-sided tape because it will give dimension to the card. So I will stick these tags here and here. Detach the outer film of the double-sided tape and stick them on the card. So this card part is done, and you can make strips and you can replace the candle, you can replace the cake, you can use any other scheme or pattern, you can use flowers to decorate on the inner side. You can use colorful flowers. I've cut them out with the help of paper puncher and made the strips, and you can also replace the cake part with this simple square shaped tag using clear stamps. Now I will paste these strips on the inner side of this blue box using the same technique, using the glue, and you can decorate it from the outside using the pattern papers or any other thing. Now I'm taking this 18 into 18 centimeter size cardstock sheet and I'm cutting its edges using this scissors. Now after cutting this piece, you can place this card over it to check its size. Then take a cardstock strip of size 17 into 2 centimeter. Mark on 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter on both the sides, and then score them and bend them. For this width of the card, I'm giving it space of this half centimeter so that it can we can insert it easily through this strip. Using the hot glue, I'm pasting this strip on this card piece, and now this is ready. We can place this or insert this card in this strip. So this is ready. I hope you will like the tutorial, and if you do, please comment below, subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get free notifications of the coming videos.